Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Fuck. Right. Fuck! Fucking kidding me.
Fuck!
Supposed to turn. Was he gonna pull over me? That guy? Yes. God, bro. Yes. I'll pull it up.
Dude, and I just like, what the fuck, man? Why is it? Dude, it scared the shit out of me because I just got into it last time.
Yes. Oh, what a great fucking day. What a great fucking day. I'll pull up the footage.
Huh?
I'm pull up the footage.
Oh, you got it, huh?
When I get to your place, I'll pull it up. Great.
Yeah, that scared the shit out of me.
60,000 აქეთ 60,000 იქ დაახლოებით ეგრე არის. ანუ მთლიანობაში აქტიური ძალები 200,000 რუსეთის მხარეს. ზურგის ძალებით ეხა კიდე მეტი არის ეს ყველაფერი. ამავდროულად აი ეს სამხრეთ-დასავლეთის ფრონტის ძალები, რომლებიც ლვოვისკენ მიდიოდნენ, აი ეგ ძალები თუ წავიდნენ ვარშავისკენ, ამას შეიძლება
stupid motherfucker.
Of wild youth, drugged out maniacs and homeless people. And we're not going to let it happen anymore. We're not going to take it.
Trump's apocalyptic description of D.C., though, ignored the fact that violent crime there has dropped sharply since the pandemic and is now at a 30-year low. And, as of earlier this year, the level of homelessness has also declined. Details of the president's plan were still being worked out even as he made his announcement, and it's not clear, for example, what will happen to the homeless people Trump vowed to clear out, or where exactly in D.C. the National Guard troops will be deployed.
You have other cities that are very bad. New York has a problem. And then you have, of course, Baltimore and Oakland. We don't even mention that anymore. They're so far gone.
The president also suggested that he could turn his attention to other Democrat-led cities next. Earlier this summer, Trump deployed nearly 5,000 National Guard troops, along with active duty Marines, to